time flyer that actually flies through time? It's about time.
Sarcasm noted, Ethan. At least our wormhole hopping capability has been fully restored. I hope.
About this trip to Antarctica, I think I should mention that chapped lips run in my family.
Lewis, has there ever been a continent you're not allergic to?
Yeah, buddy up, dude. You're embarrassing us in front of future girl.
Actually, Lewis's anxiety over frigid temperatures is perfectly rational.
Siege? I think you missed a left turn about 5 wormholes ago.
CG, what are you doing?
Landing!
Poor Squibby. Everything's okay, buddy.
Except for being on the wrong continent.
Time jump concluded. Destination achieved. The Antarctic rainforest 100 million years in the future.
This is the South Pole? No way. Okay, wait. It looks like 100 million years in the future. The continents have drifted.
Check where Antarctica is now. Practically on the equator.
Right. I got that wrong on my future geography final.
Whoa!
Let's get sweaty.
Why can't he just say excuse me like everybody else?
So this is Antarctica. Trippy, huh?
Trippy? There could be man-eating penguins here for all we know.
You think?
It's a good look for you, tough guy.
I suggest we explore this direction.
Squibby, come down! We have no idea what kind of predators might be.
Yeah, careful, Squib. This sucker looks like it's got one wicked tweet.
Ooh, aren't you a pretty birdie? Yes, you are.
Now this is more like it.
Bird watching? What are you, 80?
He's trying to talk to you, Lewis. What are you saying, pretty boy? Whoa!
Whoa! Killer snot? Gazoon tight!
Ethan, quiet.
It's just a joke. Lighten.
Years in the future, a mega ice age is threatening humanity. My mission? Pilot the time flyer into the far-off future and find a new home.
200 million years away, in my ship there hides a stowaway, bouncing back in time like a ricochet over and over. Sometimes I feel I'm dreaming, but when I open my eyes, well, the future is wide. And hey, yeah, the future is wide. And hey, yeah.
Wild? I'll say, like crashing way back in the 21st century. But luckily I met Ethan, Emily, and Lewis, and Squibbin.
Come on.
Let's go!
Future world, here we come!
Yeah, the future is wild. And hey, yeah, the future is wild.
Whatever you do, don't make any sudden...
Incoming! A bird with tood! Come on, let's go extreme bird watching.
Wait up, Ethan! We don't even know what we're chasing.
Or if they have bird friends who poop dynamite.
Perhaps the holodact can identify our avian attackers.
The Spitfire bird, a flutter bird known to harvest nectar from Spitfire blossoms. It mixes these chemicals in its nasal cavity to produce a hot, corrosive acid used to ward off predators.
You hear that? It thought I was a predator.
Okay, King of the Jungle. Let's go catch one of those bad boys. It'll be fun.
Fun. Yeah. But aren't we supposed to be helping CG find a future habitat for the human race?
Okay, we'll do that too. Multitasking.
I disagree, Ethan. I suggest we go that way.
Why?
Well, the environment appears likely to support a wider diversity of wildlife.
As long as it doesn't include birds that can burn your face off, I'm there.
Well, I'm not. Let's go find the acid birdie, Emily.
It was an awfully interesting specimen, CG. Maybe we should discuss...
Maybe we should get underway.
So who's stopping you? I'm out of here.
Ethan, wait!
We gotta stick together. I don't believe that guy.
Tell me about it. Rule number 1. Never explore the future without a buddy.
CG, what are we supposed to... CG!
Wait up!
Max, don't you think this is high enough?
Gee, let me think. If we want to catch a Spitfire bird, no. But if we want to go hungry, maybe we should follow your brilliant advice and partners out there. Come on, Mitch, he was just trying to help. You want to help? Just listen to the beetle who keeps your bellies full. Right here is good. Get in position. Here's our first customer. Easy, easy. No!
A bird-eating bug. Sweet. Ow!
Oh, close one. Fellas? Where are you? Hey, is that you?
Ouch.
CG! There you are. What's going on with you?
Yeah, what is this? Ditch Emily and Lewis Day?
Ditch? That means to leave, which is a joke, which I understood. Let's go.
It wasn't that funny. She's up to something.
Yeah. But you do think I'm funny, right?
Here, birdie birdie. Listen to me. Some safari. Whoa! Now that's a killer bee.
What does this walkathon have to do with helping the human race find a new home?
I know. Shouldn't we be taking soil samples or something?
I think she's more interested in looking at that thingy in her pocket.
Guys, you're missing some wicked stuff. A beetle posse that takes down birds. Oh, and this giant ninja wasp. You gotta get over here.
We'll be right there, Ethan.
We will?
Okay, what's up, CG?
Nothing. Just amused by Lewis's heightened cautiousness. You two join Ethan. I'll go this way.
Well, that was pretty zombie-esque.
Let's review our choices. Find giant deadly wasp, or follow my new fan club.
We have to find out what CG's up to.
I can live with that.
Slight change in plans, Ethan.
CG weirdness issues.
Catch up with you later. Be careful.
Gotta earn some jungle cred.
Did you hear that?
Probably a bird or something.
Sorry. Looking for my friends. Happen to notice any three-petaled flowers around here?
Beat it, beat 'em.
Hey! Easy with the turbulence!
Receipt of this emergency vehicle.
Vehicle received, Father.
And what kind of bird is that, CG?
Okay, now everything's starting to make sense. Actually, it makes even less sense. How'd you know there was a... What is that, anyway?
It's obviously some kind of unmanned probe from your era. Your father's probably sending you some kind of sci-fi supplies in case the Time Flyer breaks down again. But wait a minute. You kept it a secret. So that must mean that whatever's inside must be incredibly... I don't know. Beyond our power to comprehend. Shield your eyes, Emily! They sent you an empty container?
It is a personal escape vehicle. In the event the Time Flyer malfunctions and cannot be repaired, this pod will transport me back to my era.
So, it's like a portable life raft.
Basically.
For one.
No. Well...
No wonder you didn't tell us what you were up to.
I thought we were a team, CG. Or so you let us think.
Please understand. I cannot disobey my father.
Guys, you out there? I could really use some backup.
What's wrong, Ethan?
Just a bug bite. From a bug the size of my little brother.
We're on our way. Hang in there!
Keep your communicator on so we can track the signals.
Enough! Whoa! I'll take that as a no.
Because of you, that thing got away. Nice going, Beetle Brain.
Beetle Brain! Funny! Enjoy your lunch!
Ow! What's with these bugs? Uh-oh.
Or get in and go home. I can't keep up.
Weird. Ethan's signal keeps moving. Dude, stay in one place, will ya?
Not an option. Whoa!
Ethan, are you okay? Ethan!
Uh-oh. I like the sound of that.
getting some kind of interference. Maybe we should switch frequencies?
I don't think it'll help.
Ethan, is that your log?
Yeah, but I wouldn't come any closer unless you guys brought bulletproof beekeeper suits.
Don't worry, Ethan. We'll get you out of there. Working on a plan. Right now.
We have a plan?
No, we don't have a plan. Why did you tell me we have a plan?
I'm trying to remain upbeat, okay?
I think it advisable that we remain calm.
Oh, now you want to be a team player.
Instead of fighting with each other, we should be fighting those things.
Perhaps we should find out precisely what those things are.
Falconfly, a distant descendant of the wasp. The unusually large size of this insect is a result of the high concentration of oxygen in the Antarctic forests.
Hello? Anybody home? Oh, look at me. I thought I was so much better than the other bugs. And now I'm talking to a flower. Makes sense. I'm going crazy. From hunger! Nix? Is that who I think it is? Hey! It's Nix! How's it going, buddy? Am I ever glad to see you guys? You know what they call a Spitfire beetle on his own? Starving.
Tell us about it. A three-petaled flower?
Spitfire birds just laugh at us. Well, we're back in full bloom. That is, if you guys still want to be a team.
Oh, please! Come here, you!
Group bug hug. Aw, guys.
That is one bad bug.
So, guys, this plan, you think you could share it with me?
Soon?
It may encourage you to know, Ethan, that we've identified the flying predator as a falconfly.
And?
That's your plan? Duck?
Sorry, Ethan. Just got buzzed by a Spitfire bird. You know, acid boogers. Wow, these beetles. They camouflage themselves as a flower. That must have been what Ethan was talking about.
Louis, do you mind? We're trying to come up with a way to rescue him.
I think those beetles just did. What if we rigged up a decoy to lure the falconflies away from the log?
Interesting concept, but what would attract their attention?
A flutterbird. These giant wasps go after them like pizza.
Okay, we're gonna need feathers and lots of them. We got a bird to build.
Here's the start. Only, how are we gonna make it fly?
Perhaps I can help.
Guys, you coming? Today?
Almost done, Ethan.
It's a bird. It's a plane.
It's a long shot. Will it fly?
Time to find out.
I'll have to physically aim it at the falconflies and hope for the best.
Then how are you going to get your escape pod back?
I'm not.
But that means you'll be stuck in...
Stand back.
That's gotta be the biggest flutter bird I've ever seen. Yum.
They bought it. Yes.
Ethan, now's your chance.
Thanks, everybody. I'd be a human dartboard if you guys hadn't shown up.
Hey, it could have happened to any one of us who wandered away from the group and tried to capture a vicious predator on his own. What were you thinking?
Actually, towards the end, I was thinking how lucky I am you guys got my back.
I would like to add something to this moment, if I may. I suggest we vacate the area before the falconflies return.
Looks like Mr. Extreme's gotta stick to video games for a while, huh?
You mean this? Actually, I'm entering my up-close and way too personal observations about falconflies. So far, they're coming off a whole lot smarter than me.
Ethan voluntarily doing something useful? I gotta record this moment.
Hey! Great. Squibbin ate my homework.
Here you go, Squibby. Snack time.
Father. I'm sorry, Father.
Once again, you've ignored one of my directives. I sent you that emergency pod for your safety, CG.
I understand, Father, but the circumstances were such that, well, sometimes you just gotta step up and get your buddies back.
What strange dialect are you speaking?
Must be a bad transmission. Talk to you later, Father. I'm outie.
CG.
You know, your dad was right. You never should have sent that pod back empty. You should have sent him the squibbin.
Hey, hey, hey!
Hey!